In this short video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about limiting work in progress and stopping context switching. Now, I'm currently preparing to deliver a workshop at Agile 2024 in Manchester, the European experience. And in order to do that, I need to put together some little bags of Lego that will be used as building activities during the session. And when I was preparing to sort of start putting all of these Lego bags together, it made me start to think about context switching and the problems that I might have in terms of putting these bags together. I thought it was a really good example that I can use as to how limiting that work in progress and stopping context switching can actually deliver value sooner. So let's get started. So I've got 4 different types of bricks that I need to clay into a bag for my Lego workshop. I need to have 3 1x2 bricks. I have 2 1x1 bricks that have got eyes on them. I have 2 2x3 plates, and I have 1 2x4 brick. And they're all the elements that I need to pull together into a bag in order to prepare for my workshop. Now, it's one of those things I can got enough bricks to put them in individually into that bag, and I'm all ready to go. But there's a problem that I found with this, in that I could emphasize the problem of context switching by just sort of showing you if I was to build several bags all at the same time. So if I lay these out nicely, there we go. We've got 4 more bags here. That if I start to build these bags individually, and actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 4 more bags out as well. I'm going to show you the problem of having multiple things in progress, and how by context switching it will take longer to get things delivered and deliver that value. So like I said, we need to find those 3 1x2 bricks, and I'll work on both at the same time. Now, in this top row, I'm going to context switch. I'm going to move between each bag. So actually, my second pass at doing some work, I need to find 3 more 1x2 bricks. But if I don't context switch, I can collect my 2 1x2 bricks with eyes on. In context switching, I find 3 more bricks. Actually, if I'm not context switching, I can get my 2x3 plates. And then, in my context switching example, I can get my 3 1x2 bricks, and then I can pick up. And what I've done there is I've actually got a completed bag. I've got 4 where there's items in progress and there's no value there, and I've got 1 where I've got all the pieces ready to go into that bag, and I've delivered some value. I've got 1 item ready. So we could do the same thing again, that in my context switching, I can get my 2 eyepieces, I can get my 3 1x2 bricks, I can get 2 eyepieces, and then 2 eyepieces on there. I've got 2 eye bricks again, my plates, and I've got 2 eye bricks again, and I've got my yellow bricks. So my second pass of context switching, I've still got no value in my top row, but I've actually delivered some value here. That's done. Let's do it one more time. So now I'm onto those red plates. I've got my 3 bricks, red plates, eyes, red plates, red plates, red plates, and a brick. Oh, I've finished another bag, and I've also still got 4 incomplete bags. So this is where limiting work in progress and context switching is really important. The fact that actually I might now get called away, and if we're working in that software development environment, it might be the end of the sprint, and actually we might have taken 4 items of work into the sprint, and by focusing on getting things done, I've delivered 3 items of work. But working on all 4 things at the same time, I haven't delivered anything. Everything's still in progress. And that's why we always want to focus on limiting WiP, limiting our work in progress, and reducing the amount of time we're context switching, because we can deliver that value to our customers faster, get that feedback, and continuously improve.